Are you trying to decide between Proton Drive and Mega? You've come to the right place. Today, we'll compare these two cloud storage services to help you choose the best one for your needs. Both Proton Drive and Mega allow you to store files online. They offer a way to keep your documents safe and accessible from anywhere, but they do have some important differences. Let's start with Proton Drive. This service focuses on privacy and security. It uses end to end encryption, meaning only you can access your files. Proton Drive is part of the Proton ecosystem, which includes secure email and VPN services. It's great for users who prioritize confidentiality. Now, let's look at Mega. Mega is known for its generous free storage space. It also offers end to end encryption, keeping your data safe. Mega has a user friendly interface and allows easy sharing of files with others. It's a solid choice for those who need lots of space and simple sharing options. So, what sets them apart? Proton Drive is all about privacy, while Mega shines in storage capacity. If you want a secure environment for sensitive files, go for Proton Drive. If you need more space and easy sharing, Mega is the way to go. When it comes to features, Proton Drive offers a clean design and strong security tools. Mega, on the other hand, provides more storage options and a straightforward sharing process. Both are solid, but they cater to different needs. In terms of pricing, Proton Drive has a free plan with limited space, while Mega offers more free storage but also paid plans for additional features. In the end, choose Proton Drive if privacy is your top concern. If you need more space and easy file sharing, Mega is your best bet. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.